Hey friends, Shane Parent here with REMAX River City's Platinum team, and as always, I'm joined Kris Trajano and Allison McDougall. So we got your market update for March 2025. Market's been pretty robust, as Allison would say. Things are quite active. We are definitely still in a seller's market here in Edmonton with under 3 months of inventory. And so we're around 3,500 properties for sale in Edmonton. And what are we seeing here on the single family and condo market? How's the average sale price?
So average sale price for single family is up month over month, where average price right now is $574,000. That's over 3% from last month and over about 14% from last year.
Okay.
Average price last year at this time was $502,000.
Cool.
Yeah. So
Increase, love that.
yeah, big increase.
How are condos doing?
Condos, the average price right now is sitting at $215,000, which also is about 14% higher than last year, 2% more than last month. So we're seeing a trend of up with apartment style condos still.
Cool. Now, if I were selling, how long should I expect it to take for my home to sell?
So with single family, you're looking at about 30 days on market. That is the homes that are selling. Last year by this time, about 39. Now, obviously, some of those days on market are homes that were sitting on the market for a period of time and are now getting snafu'd up because there is less available.
Quick taste of the market.
Yes.
Condos?
Condos 46 days, which is slightly higher than last year at 42.
Cool. Love that.
Yeah.
And so observationally, you guys are out in the field, you're meeting clients, buyers and sellers all the time. What are you seeing as areas of opportunity, or what's kind of trending? Where's the most demand, that type of thing?
Well, I'd say areas of opportunity, some of the homes that have been sitting on the market for a period of time, I think some people are overlooking those when they're starting to look. So if it's not that hot, fresh new listing, right, and it's been sitting for maybe 2 weeks, 3, 4 weeks, maybe they started out a little too high, got a little, aggressive with the pricing, they might be open to offers at this point. So I'm encouraging a lot of my buyers to start looking at some of that stuff.
Right. Yeah, I think we were talking like sellers aren't necessarily being greedy, but they're being a little bit greedy, right? So they're testing the market, as we say.
Yeah.
And sometimes, unfortunately, market value is what an active buyer in today's market is willing to pay.
Yeah.
Also, in most cases, they also need to get approved for a mortgage for that price, right? So condos?
Condos, as mentioned last month, actually, it's great investment properties as well as first-time home buyer properties. We're seeing a lot of the lower-end condos going really quickly right now because although they have higher condo fees, the price points are cash offers for them. So,
Love that. So let's talk about highs and lows.
Yeah.
What's been selling? Where are the outliers?
Okay, so cool little house. Didn't see this one in person. It's also 165 and it was really cute inside. It was 3 bedrooms up, 1 bathroom, about 1,300 square feet, built in 1914. It needed some TLC. What that TLC was, I'm not right clear yet, but it looked quite cute from the inside for 165. Crazy good deal. Okay, and then on the high end, out in Windermere, not shocking, 5,000 square foot 2-story. It sold for $2.267 million. It was a 6 bedroom, 6.5 bath, had almost 8,000 square feet of living space, quad garage, gorgeous kitchen, etc., etc.
Amazing. I love that.
on the low end of apartment style condos, it was a condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, downtown, 650 square feet, sold for $47,900. And you get a bathroom.
You get a bathroom?
You get a bathroom with that condo. You also get a parking stall with that condo. So great starter investment, however you choose to use it. But on the high end, we're looking in Strathcona. Beautiful view. This was along the Saskatchewan Drive, listed and sold for $1.45, and it was just over 2,000 square feet, where it came with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 underground stalls.
Like we always say, real estate is neighborhood specific. And so if you're curious on how your home's value has been affected in today's economy, we're always happy to have a conversation, let you know where you sit. So when you and your family need to make an educated decision, we're here to help. And if you made it this far, you like us, so be sure to
Like
and subscribe.